Miss Shaw, what you doing?
May we back in Pierre Park. Little clouds.
Them clouds.
Little clouds. They
Them,
look like
them clouds.
eels.
Them clouds, you could fly and feel them. Oh, oh, the gust and the wind and the pants is up and she gonna fly away. She flying away. Come back before you fly away. What? She flying, she flying. She flying, she got her pants up in case the water comes to sweep her away. Or the truck's come and get you. Oh, it's not gonna turn, never mind. The truck is gonna come get you after the water comes up and throw you away. She's gonna get ready to go swimming in the water because they're gonna have the water come up. It's getting hard to walk with all that wind and the weather conditions. It's like a Category 5 hurricane now. That's what we're preparing for, the Category 5.
No, we're preparing for Category 6.
Oh shit, the Category 6. Or the lady on the porch. She watching. She watching us broadcast. She hoping.
She brought 2 gas cans in her house.
She put the gas can in their house. That's not safe. That's not safe. Everyone on their porch. Everyone's on the porch and outside and
People are staring at you.
people are staring at me. Broadcast
Because
live.
you're really dressed.
Oh, look at the Anita coming outside. We broadcasting outside and we both wearing the dresses. You see us wearing the dress? We wearing some dresses.
Hey, I'm going to step out on the town tonight.
Anita says she gonna go step out on the
I'm going to have
town.
me a hurricane party.
We're gonna have the hurricane party with the Dr. Peppers
With my DP.
and the root beers. The root. Oh, she in her nightgown.
They brought some gas cans in the house.
Or they having a chit chat on their porch. That's what they're doing. Down here in Cajun country.
Things ain't always what they seem.
Oh shit, we got the Cajun justice going on.
Things just ain't what they seem, you know. Especially us Cajun coon asses out here with that hurricane.
We like
Bob Breck, he got your wish. He wanted it to come into Homer. Well, they went into Plaquemines Parish, New Orleans, getting it bad. This is bad shit.
the wind's picking up again on the Category 6. The Category 7.5. Shall we some Cajuns? We run around with 2-color socks on and do the monkey with our pants up to our belly buttons. Well, in her case, her TTs. The bottom of her nipples. Oh, what you do? No, it's making it pick up even more.
Quit!
You can quit all you want. You better come back. The Lutan, the Rugaru's gonna get you over there. The Lutan's gonna come.
I'm the Rugaru.
The Lutan, the Cajun Justice gonna have to come get you. They gonna
Because you
have
know.
to come get you. Hold on.
This ain't Terrebonne Parish.
No, we not down the bayou no more. Look at the carry, the carry, the carry.
Maybe not Homer, Louisiana or so.
Bring your food, man.
Where's she going?
You got something to say to the Cajun Justice and everything? We gonna submit it.
Yeah, look, survival food.
What is that? Oh, beanie weenies or Vienna sausage?
It's smoked sausage.
Oh. You ready for the big Category 5 hurricane?
No, it's a Category 7.5.
The house is gonna fall. We're gonna have to sleep in some tents tomorrow. We're gonna get the welfare checks and the FEMA campers
I'm looking need to bring that bread down.
and the food stamps. Oh,
Snap back.
yum.
Move, I gotta get a cold drink.
Oh,
Which one has a cold drink in it?
This one, get you down
man,
here.
her socks gonna get all wet.
Nay. How you do this?
Sorry.
You that dumb?
Which one?
Miss
Yeah,
Shy,
it's
you
up
that
to you,
dumb?
Dad.
You don't know how to do it?
Thank you.
Sky. The sky's really pretty.
Nay. Yeah. Even bring a lawnmower.
Shy, you brought the whole lawnmower and the whole family.
And the push mower.
And the
too.
push one too. Oh, look at that. There go the popo. That was Jordan and the rest of them. Your mama and all. Your mama and them reporting from Pierreport, Louisiana.
They got a hurricane coming.
During the category 7.5 strong hurricane. We ain't never been through this before, you guys. Y'all better take care of the family and
You guys, they got a hurricane coming.
we understand. Take care of your family, you
Seven and
guys.
a half.
Take care of your family, you guys. Be safe and don't let the Rougarou and the Lieutenant get you.
Cause they watching.
They're watching all the time.
Be careful, there's a hurricane.